Hey everyone, welcome back to the Revenue Revolution. It's Sean here, and in today's video, I'm going to share 10 easy money-making ideas that you can use in your daily life. If you're looking for ways to make extra money without changing your routine, you're in the right place. These are simple strategies anyone can use to start making money from home or on the go. Stay tuned until the end to find out how you can turn your everyday activities into cash-making opportunities. 1. Sell your unused items online. First up, let's talk about selling unused items. We all have clothes, gadgets, or household items we don't use anymore. Instead of letting them gather dust, you can sell them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Simply spend a few minutes each day taking pictures and listing your items. You'd be surprised how much extra money you can make just by decluttering. 2. Rent out a spare room or space. Do you have a spare room, parking space, or even storage space? You can rent it out for extra income. Websites like Airbnb and Spacer allow you to list your space and make passive income from something you're not even using. Renting out extra space is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income while doing nothing at all. 3. Offer dog walking or pet sitting services. If you love animals, dog walking or pet sitting is a great way to make extra money. Apps like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with people who can walk or sit their pets. You're getting exercise, spending time with cute pets, and making money. Win-win. 4. Earn cash back on everyday purchases. Did you know you can make money just by shopping? With cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey, you can earn money back on things you were going to buy anyway. Simply shop through the app, and you'll get a percentage of your money back. It's a great way to save and make extra cash effortlessly. 5. Get paid to take online surveys. When you have some downtime, why not take a few online surveys and get paid for it? Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars pay you for sharing your opinions. It's an easy way to make a little extra cash while relaxing or during breaks. 6. Teach or tutor online. If you have expertise in a subject like math, science, or even music, you can offer online tutoring. Platforms like VIPKid, Udemy, or Skillshare allow you to create courses or offer one-on-one tutoring sessions. Teaching online is a great way to share your knowledge and earn extra income from home. 7. Sell handmade products on Etsy. If you have a creative hobby like making jewelry, candles, or other crafts, you can sell them on Etsy. It's an amazing platform for anyone who enjoys creating handmade items and wants to turn that passion into profit. Many people are looking for unique, handcrafted items, so why not take advantage of that demand? 8. Start a YouTube channel or blog. If you love sharing your thoughts or hobbies, consider starting a YouTube channel or blog. By creating content around topics you're passionate about, you can eventually earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency is key, and over time, you can build a community and monetize your content through various channels. 9. Offer freelance services. Use your skills like writing, graphic design, or web development to offer freelance services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere, and get paid for your expertise. Freelancing is an excellent way to make extra income with flexible hours. 10. Drive for rideshare or delivery apps. If you're already driving to work or running errands, why not make money while doing it? Apps like Uber, Lyft, or delivery services like DoorDash and Postmates allow you to earn money on your own schedule. This is a flexible way to make extra income by doing something you're already doing, driving. So, there you have it. 10 simple ways to make extra money from your everyday activities. These ideas don't require a lot of extra effort, and you can start using them today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Revenue Revolution for more tips on how to make money online and build financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which money-making idea you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.